sound of discernment. What if your silence is not absence, but discernment? For many nurse leaders, there can be pressure to respond quickly, to always speak, to always react, to constantly engage with every demand, every opinion, and every expectation. And because of that, silence is sometimes misunderstood as hesitation, as withdrawal, as disengagement. But silence can also be wisdom. There are moments when leadership requires listening more deeply before responding. Moments when discernment asks you to pause, reflect, and become clear about what truly deserves your energy and attention. Not every response needs to be immediate, and not every situation requires reaction. Poem for today. Don't mistake the quiet for retreat. It's where the soul and wisdom meet. You are not withdrawn, you are tuning in to choose with care what lies within. For silence isn't tuning gone, it's knowing where your truth belongs. Discernment listens, waits, and sees, and answers only when it's peaceful. Discernment changes the way leadership feels. You begin responding from clarity instead of pressure, from intention instead of urgency, and from wisdom instead of emotional exhaustion. And over time, that steadiness creates trust, not only within yourself, but within those you lead. Because thoughtful leadership carries a different kind of strength. Here are 3 ways to strengthen discernment in your leadership. First, allow yourself to pause before responding to something emotionally charged today. Give wisdom space to emerge. Second, spend a quiet moment listening inward without distraction or noise. Discernment often lies in stillness. Third, ask yourself whether your next decision is being driven by pressure or by peace. Let clarity guide your response. Silence does not always mean absence. Sometimes it is the sound of discernment. Lead boldly, inspire deeply, impact globally.